The space-saver version of the 7135 Pod and Rail CNC creates a lot of space with a small footprint. It is compact, powerful and well thought through. The 360 degrees concept allows free access from all sides. This makes maintenance, care and material handling easier. The space behind the machine remains accessible, enabling more efficient loading and unloading. Thanks to the full bumper safety technology, installation dimensions are possible from as little as 6,500 mm, allowing flexible installation scenarios to be implemented. All while maintaining long processing lengths of 3,620 to 4,520 mm. Additionally, the rigid cantilever design enables workpieces up to 2,010 mm deep to be accommodated. The Easy Start buttons attached to the machine hood shorten working distances and thus ensure maximum convenience. This is an indispensable option, especially for pendulum machining. The liquid-cooled 13 kilowatt power spindle ensures short machining cycles and a perfect milling pattern thanks to its high stability and balanced performance curve. The 18 kilowatt Pro Torque spindle also enables extreme solid wood machining with high chip removal rates and multi-shift operation. Depending on the user profile, you can choose from 3 practical drilling units, whereby all variants score with full torque over the entire speed range. Row drilling and grooving saw cover the entire working range between the stops. The 18-position disc changer included as standard can accommodate saw blades with a diameter of up to 350 mm, in addition to shank and profile tools. A side access door allows easy access to the travelling tool changer, even when the machine is positioned against the wall. This allows you to load the tools quickly and safely by hand. A linear changer mounted on the left-hand side of the machine allows you to add up to 16 additional tool positions. This means there are no limits, as there is enough space to store tools for a wide variety of applications and materials. In addition to the standard table where suction cups and consoles are positioned together with a point laser, the unique Vise LED table is ideal for quickly setting up variable console configurations. The positions of the consoles calculated in the software suggestion and the recommended suction cups are displayed to the operator via coloured LED strips. A magnetic board that can be placed anywhere on the machine helps to assign the color codes to the correct suction cups. The type, size and rotability of the suction cups are clearly visualized using the corresponding number code, which further facilitates handling. Since the vacuum cups can be attached and rotated by 180 degrees, the orientation of the suction cups is also indicated via the white LED code. The zero line on the scale enables the vacuum cups to be placed on the consoles with millimeter precision. The most diverse suction cup constellations can thus be positioned error-free within minutes and intuitively. Another real highlight of the Vyze LED table is the exact display of the rotation angle for rotating suction cups. Via the scale, the angle can be easily read in 15-degree steps and transferred to the rotation of the suction cup. Thus, positioning the suction cups is child's play, even with freeforms. The Campus Plus machine software offers easy programming of even complex workpieces thanks to a wealth of included macros and help functions. Whether you manufacture components for furniture production or building elements such as doors, with just a few clicks you can create fully parametric machining programs with Campus NC hops. The live preview in the macros is particularly helpful, as it displays all changes in real time. Overall, great attention has been paid to user-friendliness and clarity of the programming levels. The Plus stands for the BetaSim 3D removal simulation included in the package. This allows you to check all drilling and milling operations in the programming before starting machining. With the Beta Measure function, you can measure directly on the simulated component. Beta Measure automatically detects points, edges and radii, enabling you to check the workpieces in advance for perfect end results. To get the best possible overview in the 3D removal simulation, you can set the colors according to removal, tools, synchronous or counter rotation, and tolerances relative to the target contour under the Color Settings tab. A check to see whether there will be a collision with the clamping elements or tools can be carried out quickly using Quick Check. The well-thought-out machine design, in which the vacuum pump, tool changer and control cabinet are fully integrated into the machine housing, rounds off the concept and also reduces installation time. Minimal installation dimensions, maximum freedom without compromising on performance and flexibility. That's what the 7135 Space Saver stands for.